Hi! In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Services section in Bookly Pro. In the Services section, you can manage the list of services provided by your company. For your convenience, you can organize your services into categories. To create a category, click Categories, then click Add Category, enter the title, and click Save. You can change the order of categories simply by dragging and dropping them in the list. This step is important because categories will appear on the front end of your website in the same order you set here. Each category can have an image which you can include in email notifications using the category image placeholder. The category description becomes visible in the booking form when you enable the Show Category Info option in the Appearance section. You can also insert this description into email notifications using the Category Info placeholder. To customize the order in which services appear on the front-end booking form, click the Services Order button and use drag and drop to rearrange them. In Table Settings, you can choose which columns to display in the services table and reorder them using drag and drop. To create a new service, click Add Service, enter the title, then click Create Service to start configuring its settings. The title field is required for each service. It will be displayed in the calendar, on the front end, and anywhere the service is referenced. You can upload a service image and display it in email notifications or the booking form using the Service Image placeholder. Service tags can function as subcategories in your setup. They help organize the structure and navigation of the tag's booking form. To create a tag, enter its title on the service card and select the color. Once created, the tag becomes available for both new and existing services. Tags can also include an image and description, which will appear in the tag's form once configured and published. The service color is used internally in the system. It helps you easily identify appointments for this service in the calendar. If you want to hide a service from customers on the front end, set its visibility to private. Next, enter the service price and assign employees who will provide the service. A service must be assigned to at least one provider to appear in the booking form. The provider's preference for any setting allows you to define how staff members are automatically assigned when customers do not select a specific employee. The Available Payment Methods option lets you set payment methods specific to selected services. For example, you can disable the Local Payment option for services delivered via Zoom, Google Meet, or other online meeting platforms. You can add a service description in the Info field. This information can be inserted into email notifications or displayed in the booking form using the Service Info placeholder. Now switch to the Time tab. Set the service duration. You can create services with a duration of up to 7 days. If needed, you can set a custom time slot length that differs from the global settings. This option allows you to divide the day into intervals, which are used as steps when generating available time slots. Padding time lets you add extra time before or after each appointment. This can be useful if employees need preparation time, rest time, or time to clean the room. Next, open the Advanced tab. Here, you can decide whether online meetings should be automatically created for this service. The Limit Appointments per Customer setting allows you to restrict how many times a client can book the service. With the Final Step URL, you can create separate thank you pages for specific services. You can also set individual booking and cancellation rules for each service, overriding the global settings if needed. When you duplicate a service, it is created with private visibility by default. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like this video. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and check the links in the description to learn more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments below. See you soon!